Welcome to Huawei Developer Competition's Interpretation and Q&A Live. To save time for the presentation and Q&A, today's sharing will be a recorded video presentation first, including products introduction and application scenarios sharing. And then the speaker will access the meeting to answer questions you put forward. You can leave the message on the discussing board during the sharing at any time. It will be noted. Let's begin. You can scan the QR code at the screen for more details about Huawei Developer Competition. Let's welcome today's speaker, Lu Wei, and solution architect from Huawei Cloud meeting.
Okay. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great pleasure to have all of you here. Lu Wei from Huawei Cloud meeting. Today, I will bring you an introduction to the openness of Huawei Cloud meeting. There are three parts. First, what are the capabilities that integrate the open capabilities of Huawei Cloud meeting? Third, successful cases of Huawei Cloud meeting integration. Now, let's see the open capabilities of Huawei Cloud meeting. As we know, since 2020, the epidemic has accelerated the global popularity of cloud meeting, which has become a high-frequency demand in all industries. As an intelligent collaboration platform for communication, Huawei Cloud Meeting has gradually become an essential tool for enterprises, which has the following key technical capabilities. First of all, we have industry-leading packet loss HD video technologies to help our clients enjoy HD video meeting experience with the lowest bandwidth occupied to cope with various extreme networking. In addition, last but not least, in the field of 4K HD data collaboration, Huawei Cloud Meeting has made great achievements in professional design, scientific research, medical care, and weather forecasting. It is worth mentioning that the powerful functions of Huawei Cloud Meeting mentioned above are fully open. Just a dozen of lines of code to integrate Huawei's 30 years of audio and video achievements. In a word, has the unique advantages of full capability openness and easy integration. Next, here we can see the typical application scenarios of Huawei Cloud Meeting integration. First, in the government and the enterprise office field, Huawei Cloud Meeting is integrated into the government and enterprise self-built office system to help our clients implement capabilities such as a point-to-point communication, one-off meeting, and a departmental meeting. In view field, we embed enterprise design tools to provide functions such as desktop sharing, whiteboard marking, and remote assistance and control to help our clients meet requirements. In the online education field, we integrate with the education system to provide 4K Ultra HD courseware, interactive video teaching, and classroom recording and playback function. In the field of remote collaboration, we provide 1080p HD video capabilities to help experts remotely assist on-site construction. In terms of emergency command, Huawei Cloud Meeting provides dedicated video streams and automatic continuous presence layout to help the command center dispatch and convergent command. Then, in this part, we can see the open architecture of Huawei Cloud Meeting, which has two aspects. First, on the server side, we open meeting management and APIs. Second, on the terminal side, we open audio and video meeting capabilities through the SDKs. They provide services such as meeting management, meeting control, enterprise management, user management through the Huawei Cloud API Gateway platform. At the same time, services can be deployed on the cloud and made available on a pay-per-use basis. Industry and scenario-based APIs are provided for more efficient partner development. Next, we will see the capabilities provided by REST APIs on the server side. Through Huawei Cloud API Gateway, developers can obtain the capabilities of enterprise management, user management, meeting room management, meeting management, and control from REST APIs on the server side. On the terminal side, we provide SDKs with in-conference UI. Developers can use video conferencing, desktop sharing, and point-to-point call. In addition, address book, conference control buttons, and material with part applications can start the Huawei Cloud Meeting app using a simple URL without secondary development. The URL format is as follows. Next, let's see how to integrate the open capabilities of Huawei Cloud Meeting. In general, the development process of Huawei Cloud Meeting integration will take you about 2 weeks. First of all, developers need to create an enterprise. You can purchase meeting services or apply for test resources to obtain an enterprise account and apply for APP ID using the developers obtain development resources. All development resources such as SDKs, demos, and development documents can be obtained from Huawei Cloud Meeting official websites. Can integrate the terminal SDKs or directly invoke the meeting server APIs for development. Finally, debug and release. Developers can use API Explorer to debug server APIs. In this part, we can see the account integration of Huawei Cloud Meeting. There are 4 types of accounts: Huawei Cloud account, SP Administrator account, End-User account. Huawei Cloud account is used to subscribe meeting services and debug APIs in API Explorer. To service provider account, which can be attached to multiple. This account is mainly used by our service providers. Next, enterprise administrator accounts and standard user accounts. Enterprise administrator account provides functions such as department management, user management, virtual meeting room management, and meeting management and control. Standard user account can manage and control meeting under its own account. You can see the 2 authentication modes of Huawei Cloud Meeting. Mode 1, APP ID authentication mode, which is recommended for you. The advantage of this mode is that third-party app can directly match Huawei Cloud Meeting account to get the APP ID for authentication and obtain the access token. There is no need to create a Huawei Cloud Meeting account. Mode 2, account or password authentication mode. In this mode, the third-party app needs to create an independent Huawei Cloud Meeting account with its user ID to authenticate the account to obtain an access token. In some scenarios, the third-party apps have a large number of user IDs and only a small number of users need to capability of Huawei Cloud Meeting. This solution really solves the problem of one-to-many matching between Huawei Cloud Meeting accounts and the 30 user IDs. Next, let's take a look at the server API query. Server REST API for Huawei Cloud Meeting are provided with the global site. The third-party web application backends or terminal can call server REST APIs. Server REST APIs include more management APIs than terminal SDKs. Access of the query management APIs. Meeting control authentication is required for query meeting control APIs. The administrator account can be used to manage meeting of the entire enterprise. Standard users can manage only their own meetings. Login API Explorer using a Huawei Cloud account to debug REST APIs. Each API in API reference on Huawei Cloud website has an entry redirecting to API Explorer. Then, let's look at the terminal integration. Terminal integration involves initialization, conference creation, and meeting joining. The interface names vary, logic and the calling sequence remain the same. Let's take the Windows terminal integration as an example. We provide 3 types of APIs. APIs to be called, callback APIs, and the message notification APIs. Basic configuration, account operation, GUI customization, and meeting management and control, point-to-point call. Login is optional. A user who has not logged in can join in a meeting but cannot create or be invited to one. The invite button and the participant selection needs can only be accessed through the app. All GUI customization are implemented by calling the config API. In addition, we also support the integration of terminals, Android, iOS, Mac, and election platforms. Their logics are similar, except for different terms. Herein, we will not introduce them one by one. Here, we provide enrichment resources for you. Finally, let's share 2 successes of integration. In this industry has the following problems. First, expert resources are scarce and it is difficult time and anywhere. Second, the cost of on-site communication is high and the travel of experts is time-consuming and costly. We built an AR based on SDK client of Huawei Cloud Meeting. The Huawei Cloud Meeting SDK receives customized video streams, glasses, or PTZ dome cameras, enabling experts to provide real-time interactives based on HD video backhaul from on-site. In the internet education industry, there is no audio and video platform for teachers and students to communicate and interact with each other. At present, the distant education industry mostly relies on one-way video communication, which makes it difficult to restore real teaching scenarios. In addition, The network environment is unstable, which makes it difficult to ensure the online view effect through the conventions of open interfaces of Huawei Cloud Meeting and the customer platform. We redefine the distance education architecture. Huawei Cloud Meeting have 50% video and 80% audio packet loss concealment, enabling students to enjoy learning experience without any discomfort. In addition, capabilities such as screen sharing and bidirectional annotation for real-time classroom interaction and parametric interactive teaching. In recent years, Huawei Cloud Meeting has spawned various industrial application scenarios and cross-border innovation scenarios with its advantage of full capability openness and easy integration. We welcome developers from all over the world to participate in the Huawei Cloud Meeting. Let's work together to enable thousands of industrials in the future. Thank you. If you have any questions, ask them.
Shows the timeline.
Here are some questions and answers on the discussion board. All developers online can refer it. If any questions are to be answered, you can feel free to put forward on the discussion board. And also the charge of the Huawei Developer Competition, you can apply for signing up, and we will deliver the vouchers to you after you finish the information. Okay, if there is no more questions, today's live is going over. There will be playback on Huawei Cloud Developer Forum. Join the competition and Huawei Developer Forum to access the latest technology and interact with our experts on Huawei Cloud. Spark your infinity in Huawei Developer Competition. You can also find your answers on Huawei Cloud Developer Forum. Scan it to join and to ask questions and share your opinion. Thanks. Wish you a good day. Bye bye.